how to fix error loading captions in YouTube on your iPhone. So if you want to fix error loading captions in YouTube on iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you don't have a stable internet connection, then it might be causing your issue. So make sure that you have your internet connection. You can use your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Once done, you can open up your settings. You need to scroll down, go with general, and then again scroll all the way down, go with transfer, reset iPhone, and then tap on reset. Now go with reset network settings, and after resetting your network settings, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you need to go back, open up your App Store. From the App Store, you need to go with search and search for YouTube. After searching for your YouTube, if you have any updates on your YouTube application, then you just need simply go and update it. And after updating, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your error loading captions in your YouTube on iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.